Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on your Facebook account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the login page as well as the create new account button. Now, if you have forgotten your password, then click on the forgot password option underneath the login button and you will now be asked to enter your phone number or your email address. You can tap on search by email instead if you wish to use your email address to find your account. After you type in your email address within the email box, click on the continue button and you will now be asked to enter the confirmation code that has been sent to your email. Now just check your inbox and you will find your email within, which contains the confirmation code. You can copy this code and paste it within the given box and then click on the continue button, and now you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account. After typing in your desired new password, click on the continue button, and you may also log out from any other device by making sure you click on this checkbox. And now, after entering your desired new password, you will be logged back into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.